Alright, so let's finish up this lesson. Find the foci of the graph, then draw the graph. So the first thing I notice is that y squared comes first, so I know that it's going to open along the y-axis. And I'm going to start by finding the foci. This is my a squared, this is my b squared. And so I'm going to say, okay, I've got c squared has to equal a squared, which is 25, and plus 9. So I'm going to get c squared equals 36, so c would equal 6 when I take the square root of each of those. And then because y comes first, the focus point has to go in the y coordinate. So I'm going to say my focus, or my foci, are 0 plus or minus 6. So if I graph those points, it's going to look like this and this. And then I'm going to graph the rest of it. So I'm going to have my a value is going to be plus or minus 5, and those are going to be in the y-axis. My b value is going to be plus or minus 3, and that's going to be in the x-axis. So y is 5 and negative 5, b is 3 and negative 3, and then I'm going to draw my box. And I'm going to draw the diagonals that go through it. And then again, I know that it has to open up or down, up and down, excuse me. And so I'm going to start at my vertex and use my asymptotes for guides. And I'm going to draw the shape of that hyperbola. And there you have it. So your homework is page 578, number 6 through 13. Again, check your homework with Bob. Check your homework with the binder, with a friend. But it will be checked tomorrow for a grade, or on Monday, excuse me, for a grade. So make sure that you get it done and done well. Send me an email if you have any questions. I'd be happy to answer them. Have a great weekend.